Welcome back everyone, Mudford here. Today I'm working on the gas fireplace that we have. The pilot, which comes out right here, is supposed to heat up this thermocouple, and it's just not, the flame just is not reaching over far enough, so it won't stay on. As soon as you let off the button on the pilot, it'll go right out. What I did was I heated up the thermocouple with a lighter, and then it would stay lit. Tried a lot of things. Hopefully I'll save you some of the trouble I went through. I went all the way from the propane tank, checked the regulators, everything all the way up to here, and it appears that there's some plugging issues in the pilot nozzle itself. So now I'm going to take this out and have a look in there and see what I can find. So I'm not sure how well you can see in there, but there is a pretty fine hole, like a jet on a carburetor or like a torch tip. So that's what I'm going to try to clean it out with, is a torch tip, and we'll see how that goes. It definitely is plugged. There's nothing coming through it. I don't know how it even had any kind of a flame. Turn my flashlight on and show you. I got it cleaned out. Clearly light through there now, so I think it should work. Go ahead and put it back together and find out. I just used some compressed air for my air compressor with a blowgun. Okay, I've got the pilot installed. We're going to go down here, turn it to pilot, hold it in. Oh yeah, much better flame. I'm going to release it down here now. You can see the flame is nice and blue, and it is over into the thermocouple. Before I cleaned it out, it was turned up right there, and it was yellow on top. It was not getting near enough fuel through the orifice on the pilot nozzle. So now it appears to be working fine. We'll go ahead and turn it on just to be sure before we put the fire logs back on and finish putting it together. Perfect. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the fire logs back in, and I got the cover off the back. Should be good to go now.